Looking for the best gaming monitor without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best 1440p gaming monitor 2025, all delivering incredible performance at a range of prices. From stunning OLED visuals to lightning-fast refresh rates, these monitors will take your gaming experience to the next level. And trust me, our number 1 pick is a game changer that you won't want to miss. Links to each pick are in the description. Let's dive in and find your perfect gaming monitor. At number 5, we have the Samsung 28 Odyssey G70B Series 4K UHD gaming monitor. This 28-inch IPS panel monitor delivers exceptional 4K visuals with a 144 Hz refresh rate, perfect for both casual and competitive gamers. The 1 millisecond response time ensures a smooth gaming experience, while HDR 400 support enhances contrast and colors, making your games pop. Additionally, G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro compatibility work together to eliminate screen tearing, delivering a fluid gaming experience. The ultra-wide game view enhances immersion by offering a broader perspective in action-packed games. Though not OLED, the color accuracy and performance of this monitor make it a great choice for gamers on a budget. Its strong feature set for the price is ideal for those who want excellent performance without breaking the bank. Whether you're gaming or watching media, this monitor provides solid visuals and smooth gameplay. At number 4, we have the Alienware AW2725DF is a 26.7-inch Quantum Dot WQHD 2560 by 1440 display, providing a 360 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time. This makes it an exceptional option for competitive gamers who demand the best performance. The OLED technology offers true blacks, vibrant colors, and a high contrast ratio, delivering an immersive viewing experience. AMD FreeSync Premium Pro ensures smooth gameplay by eliminating screen tearing and stuttering. The monitor offers height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustability, allowing gamers to find their most comfortable viewing position. Multiple ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB 3.2 Gen 1, provide easy connectivity with all your devices. With its exceptional build quality and gaming-focused features, this monitor is a must-have for gamers who want to enjoy stunning visuals and seamless gameplay in one package. At number 3, the ASUS ROG Strix XG27A QD-MG features a 27-inch QHD OLED display, offering a 240 Hz refresh rate and a 0.03 milliseconds response time. This makes it perfect for fast-paced competitive games, providing ultra-smooth gameplay with no motion blur. The OLED technology delivers perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and superior contrast, with 99% DCI-P3 color accuracy, ideal for both gaming and creative work. ASUS's custom heatsink keeps the monitor cool during extended gaming sessions, and anti-flicker technology reduces eye strain. G-Sync compatibility ensures tear-free gaming, making this monitor an excellent choice for those who demand high-quality visuals and performance. It's designed for gamers who want an exceptional experience with vivid colors, sharp details, and responsive gameplay. Whether you're gaming or working, the XG27A QD-MG offers stunning visual fidelity and a smooth, responsive experience across all activities. At number 2, we have the ASUS ROG Swift PG27A QD-M features a 27-inch OLED display with a 240 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, making it ideal for competitive gaming. The OLED panel delivers exceptional contrast, true blacks, and vibrant colors, providing an immersive visual experience. The monitor's 99% DCI-P3 color coverage and true 10-bit color depth make it perfect for both gaming and creative work, ensuring stunning visuals with accurate colors. The anti-glare micro-texture coating ensures that you can game comfortably in bright rooms. With G-Sync compatibility, you'll enjoy a smooth, tear-free experience, whether playing on PC or console. The PG27A QD-M is designed for gamers who demand the best visual fidelity, responsive performance, and comfort, making it a top-tier choice for those who want to elevate their gaming setup. At number 1, we have the MSI MPG271QRX. Features a 27-inch OLED display with QHD 2560 by 1440 resolution, 360 Hz refresh rate, and 0.03 milliseconds response time, delivering an exceptional gaming experience. The OLED panel offers perfect blacks, vibrant colors, and an outstanding contrast ratio, providing a level of visual fidelity that's unmatched by traditional panels. The inclusion of true black HDR400 enhances HDR content, making every detail pop. With HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB Type-C connectivity options, this monitor is future-proof for next-gen gaming consoles and high-performance PC setups. The tilt and height adjustability ensure comfort during long gaming sessions. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or creating content, the MSI MPG271QRX provides stunning visuals, lightning-fast response times, and the performance required for competitive play. This monitor stands as the ultimate choice for gamers seeking top-tier OLED performance, making it number 1 on our list. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best gaming monitors of 2025. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!